Good morning, children. Introduction to trigonometry. We are almost covered all the topics. We are in the last part only. So, I have made a list of formulas what you have to learn from this classes. So, here first we have learned the T ratios name, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Then we have learned the formula sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, then tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side, then cosec A equal to hypotenuse by opposite, sec A equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, and cot A equal to adjacent by opposite side. Tan and cot can be represented as a sine and cos form. So sin A by cos A, cot equal to sin A, cos A by sin A. Next, we learned about reciprocal functions. Sin A equal to 1 by cosec A, cos A equal to 1 by sec A, then tan A equal to 1 by cot A only. Similarly, cosec can be written as 1 by sin A, and sec can be written as 1 by cos, cot can be written as 1 by tan A. Now, then later we learned the value of the specific angles. So, respectively, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree are their corresponding values are that table we have learned, right? Next we have to learn the complementary angles. So sine and cos having the relation sine 90 minus a equal to cos, tan 90 minus a equal to cot, sec 90 minus a equal to cosec. Similarly, cos 90 minus a equal to sine, cot 90 minus a equal to tan, a cosec 90 minus a equal to sec. Next, we have learned about the trigonometric identities. So these many formulas are there. So what I done here means you will get in a stretch only here, and every day make a practice of all these things. Then only trigonometry will be easy. So when you are starting learning the maths, that time only you write all the formulas. This one it's already there in the video. So anybody is not listed out, you will get it in the video also. So I think last class we have completed all the 15 questions of examples. Prove that cases. Now we are going to do the next one. So here the 16th one. Today we are starting with the question number 16. Prove the following trigonometric identities. Means prove the following using identities, using any formulas, whatever you learned. The question is tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A plus cot square A divided by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 only. Right? So here we have to prove that LHS is given. So many terms are there. So what is RHS? RHS equal to just 1 only. So LHS we have take down, and we have changed to tan square A is a sine square A by cos square A, and cot square A is a cos square A by sine square A, and similarly all the tan in the denominator also we have changed it as a sine square A by cos square A, and the cos square A by sine square A only, right? Next, after that, what is the case is sine square A by cos square A we kept in the numerator same, but the denominator you can see that it is taken as a LCM, right? Now, as we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so denominator's numerator became 1 only. Sine square A by cos square A plus sine square A by cos square A by 1 by cos square A plus cos square A by sine square A by 1 by sine square A only. Now, this 1 by sine square A, what we had done in the next step, it is the reciprocal and multiplication. So, cos square A by 1 plus cos square A by sine square A. Similarly, here also 1 by sine square A became into sine square A by 1 only. Now, the denominator, both the side if you check, sine square, cos square will get cancelled here, and here sine square will get cancelled here. So, what is remaining? Sine square A plus cos square A. What is sine square A plus cos square A? It is equal to 1. So what we have done here, we have changed tan and cot, tan A and cot A in terms of sin A and cos A also. So last class I told that suppose 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus cot square A, you are able to see in the denominator also. You can do in the second and third identity also there. Let us try in the another way. I have done one question only in this way. So LHS once we have take down, then what we have taken numerator, I have not made any changes first. Then denominator 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus cot square A, we have changed as a sec square A and cosec square A by using the second identity. What is the next step? Tan square can be written as sin square A by cos square A. Similarly, cot square A can be written as cos square A by sin square A. Denominator here, sec square A can be written as 1 by cos square A, and cosec square A can be written as 1 by sin square A only. So taking the reciprocal. These two steps I think almost similar in both the terms. You can see that one, both the way you can do that. So there is nothing wrong in that. You have to use the which method. If you are able to use this method also, it is correct only, you will get the answer, right? So that time you should get the idea how to proceed. But what happens, children will confuse and they will stuck up in the between only. Now here the hint already given that 1 plus tan square the a and 1 plus cot square a in the denominator. There I have used second and third identity here, isn't it? So there also I'm getting the answer. So whatever is convenient for you, that you can do. Whether it is which one, whether it is a first identity is convenient for you, then first identity we can, if it is a second identity is convenient for you, then second identity we can use. But the purpose is we should keep in mind that what is our RHS, right? So the next question now, cos a plus sin a whole square plus cos a minus sin a whole square equal to 2 only. So as you know that it is a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square only left side. So what is the normal procedure? Expand it. A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square we are expanding. So a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? Cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 cos a sin a. What is the meaning? Nothing is there, a plus b whole square only. And cos a and minus sin a expansion is cos square a plus sin square a minus 2 cos a sin a. So what is happening here? This plus 2 cos a sin a and minus 2 cos a sin a will get cancelled. So what is remaining there? Cos square a and sin square a, two times are remaining there. So cos square a and sin square a, what is the value? It is 1 only. So 2 into 1. It is equal to 2, right? So this also nothing that much a difficult question. It is also just an expansion of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square only expanded. Whatever is cancelled we made cancel, the remaining things we are seeing, it is correlated with the first identity. So 2 into 1 only. So 2 into cos square a plus sin square a, that is equal to 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Next question. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a only. What we have to do here? We have to write LHS first. But if you see the RHS, what is the RHS? The 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a is there. So here also we can go for a plus b whole square method. So sin a plus cosec a whole square we are expanding. What is expansion? Sin square a cosec square a, then middle term 2 sin a cosec a will come. Similarly, cos a and sec is there. That is also we can expand. Cos square a, then sec square a, that is b square we got, 2 cos a and sec we got. Now here sin square a and then cosec square. Here's cosec square is there. Okay, cosec square a is there. Now last class only we have seen that sin a into cosec a. What will be the answer? It is reciprocal ray only, function only. So sin a into cosec a means sin a into 1 by sin a. So it will get cancelled. That is why directly here we have written 2. Similarly, this side also. Cos and sec are the reciprocal functions. So 2 we are getting. So in between plus sign only. So just we can remove the bracket. So this 2 and here 2. So what is answer? 4 will get. Now what is sin square a and cos square a? That is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5 we got. Now if you check the RHS, 7 we required, right? 7 we required. Additional to that, what we required? tan square A and cos square A also required. So, but what is remaining there? Sec square A and cosec square A is remaining. So, instead of sec square A, what we can write 1 plus tan square A. Instead of cosec square A, what we can write 1 plus cot square A. So, 2 more 1 we got here. So, 5 plus 2, it is 7. So, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. It's a good question only. So what is the concept we are using here? Again, we are using A plus B whole square only. We have expanded sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. We expanded this one, and A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly here A square plus B square plus 2AB. After that, what is the next step? Sin square A and a cosec square A we kept like that only. This side 2 sin A cosec A, we used the reciprocal function rule. So 2 into 1 we got, so 2 we got. Similarly here also cos and sec A are the reciprocal functions, there also 2 we got. So already we are having 4. Now we are arranging the terms. What we got? Sin square A plus cos square A is there, that is also equal to 1 only. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now, if you go for the RHS, what is happening there? 7 is there, but we are having only 5, and we are having sec square and cosec square A is there. We are not having tan square A, cot square A is there. So that identity we are using. Finally, what we are getting? 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Next question. Prove that sec raised to 4a into 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan raised to 4a equal to 1. That is the question only. So we have to go for a sec raised to 4a into 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan raised to 4a only. So sec raised to 4a we are expanding first. So 6 raised to 4a into 1, that is 6 sec raised to 4a, sec raised to 4 into sin raised to 4a, so multiplied, minus 2 tan square a only. I think it is 2 tan square a, then only we'll get the answer. Okay, let us see. Maybe the correction is there. Now what is the here? Sec can be written as 1 by cos raised to 4. So this became sec raised to 4a minus tan raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a only, right? So let me see the step, I think. Okay, let me check that one whether we are getting or not. It should be, I think it is a tan square or a, okay. I'll do the corrections then. Okay. Okay. So let me see. The sec raised to 4a minus sec raised to 4a into sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a is there. If the question is wrong, I have to correct it. Better I'll do the last this. So 19th, okay, 1 second. 19th I will do last. Any correction is there? Tomorrow I can. I don't want to waste the time. Now we'll go for the 20th question. Tan square A minus tan square B should be equal to cos square B minus cos square A divided by cos square B into cos square A equal to sin square A minus sin square B divided by cos square A into cos square B only. So what is the left hand side we are having? Tan square A minus tan square B is there. What is tan square A minus tan square B? We can write a sin and cos form there. So that is the step we have used here. Sin square A by cos square A minus sin square B by cos square B only. Now what is the next step? LHS to be taken. Sorry, denominator LCM to be taken. LCM we are taken and expanding. So what is that one? Sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B divided by cos square A into cos square B only. Right. Now what is the next step? Means we should think what RHS we required. Everything is here cos square only, cos square b and a cos square a. But here what happens? Sin square a is there, sin square b is there, and cos square b is there, cos square a is there. If this you check, it is all sin square only. So according to that, you have to make the changes. But if you check the denominator no changes is required there, right? So here first we changed cos square b as 1 minus sin square b only. Then cos square A we have changed as 1 minus sin square A only. So again expand. If you expand, these two terms will get cancelled. One is minus sin square A and a sin square B. Similarly, this side it is plus sin square A and sin square B, that will get cancelled. So what is remaining there? Sin square A minus sin square B divided by cos square A and into cos square B. Let us see that one. What is the doubt means here? You may get the doubt. Just expand and see this one. Sin square A sin square B. Now after apply minus sign, minus 1 means sin square B I should write, because sin square B is the multiplication there. So minus into minus plus, right? So you are getting like this. So this 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining there? Sin square A minus sin square B divided by cos square A into cos square B only. What is the next step? That means we got first this. Now what is to be get is second part? It is cos square B and cos square A should come in the numerator. So what is to be changed? First we have changed cos. This time we have to change as a sin. That you can do and you can cross check. And same procedure we can multiply. What you will get? You will get cos square A minus cos square B minus cos square A divided by cos square B into cos square A only, right? So these are the questions. See, you may get three equations to be proved. LHS, RHS, it's not there now. Now what we can say, three are there to prove that. Prove that tan square A, I'm not writing prove that for all the questions, it is there only. So tan square A minus tan square B is equal to cos square B minus cos square A divided by cos square B cos square A equal to sin square A minus sin square B divided by cos square A into cos square B. That means all the two you have to prove only. Understood? So maybe in between you will get the answer. Maybe you can proceed from there. That also possibilities are there. So here what happened? We are getting both the answer in a different way. So both the answer should be solved and proved. And what is the final conclusion to be written? Okay. Next question. If x equal to a sine theta and y equal to b tan theta, prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square equal to 1 only. So what is given here? X equal to a sine theta is already given. And what is y? Y equal to b tan theta only. So x and y we are writing first. So x equal to a sine theta. From that a by x we have calculated, that is 1 by sine theta only. So 1 by sine theta we can use it as a cosec theta only. So children may get that whether we should start with 1 by sine theta only, that also you can do. But which is the easiest way that we should choose, by practice only it can be done. Now what is y? Y equal to b tan theta, right? Then what is b by y? B by y equal to 1 by tan theta. Naturally it is equal to cot theta. Now we are prove that is this only. So what is the LHS for us? LHS equal to a square by x square minus b square by y square only. So what is a square by x square means a by x whole square. So we got cosec square theta. What is b square by y square? It is b by y whole square only. So cot square theta. Already we know that cosec square theta minus the cot square theta equal to 1 only. So we can write it is equal to 1 only. So how we learned the formula? 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So from this only you can write cosec 1, I am keeping this side, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So we got RHS. Right, so the answer is here only. So like that we will get a, it is also one of the pattern of trigonometric identity only. MCQ they can ask x equal to a sine theta, y equal to b tan theta. What is a square by x square minus b square by y square? Don't think that always it is equal to 1. There may be some other answers also. Okay, now the next question. Cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 divided by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 should be equal to which one? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta only. Okay. Now what is the next step we should write? LHS to be taken down first. So the first cot theta and cosec theta we are writing as it is same. Listen carefully. Many method will be there. Some may say that a cot can be written as cos by sine, cosec can be written as 1 by sine. Any way you try, we need answer only, right? Now, what is the method here we have used? Means instead of 1, we have taken that identity where cosec and cot is there, right? So what we should be written here, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, we have replaced 1 in the numerator, right? Denominator, there is no change, we are done as it is, same we have kept. Now what is the next change means, we can go for a square minus b square also, but here what they have used, they have taken the common cosec theta plus cot theta. How we are getting that cosec theta plus cot theta is common? Because this part is a square minus b square only. So I'll write in the numerator only, nothing else. So what is the first bracket? Cosec theta plus cot theta minus cosec theta plus cot theta is the again cosec theta minus cot theta is there, right? This is numerator, right? So here you see cosec theta plus cot theta is there. Here also cosec theta plus cot theta is there. That is why this step we have taken cosec theta plus cot theta common. So what is the remaining in bracket? Already this term is out. So 1 is there and minus sign is there. What is the remaining term? Cosec minus cot. Clear this one? Denominator, there is no change. We are continuing like that only. Now, what is the next step? Expand with minus sign. 1 minus cosec theta plus cot theta only. We are expanded the bracket. Now, cosec and cot we are keeping like this. Now, these two bracket you check. Sign of each term. What is the sign for cot? Both numerator, the bracket only I am talking. Cot is positive. And what about the cosec? Cosec is negative and 1 is positive only. So these two terms will get cancelled. So what is remaining there? Only we will get cosec theta plus cot theta only. Again, it is not finished. If you go for the RHS, what we are having? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta only. So again, cosec and cot as it is we are keeping. It is not the final answer. So what we should do? Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. What is 1 by sin theta? That is cosec only, isn't it? Now, cot we have expressed. Now, see the again RHS denominator should be sin theta. What is the denominator part? We got here sin only. So, we can write like this only. So, 1 sin theta is a common. So, we can add the numerator 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta, which is equal to RHS, right? So, here also same concept. So anybody wants to use that, a cot can be written as a cos by sine and 1 by sine, then 1 as it is only, then you can go for the LCM. But it may take uh, long steps. That is only the criteria, nothing else. So 1 is replaced by cosec square theta minus cot square theta by using the identity. The same question can be asked for tan theta plus sec theta also. There also 1 will come in the numerator. Where 1 comes, sometimes denominator 1 will come. So you should see that where we should change it. If I remember means sometimes the numerator term is more, the numerator term will change. Denominator terms are more means denominator one will change. We will do the examples of one like that. So here there is no doubt. Related to cot and cosec, what are the doubts, what are the identities are there that should be used, then only we can go for that one, right? Oof. Next question, 23rd. Sin A plus cosec cos A divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A equal to 2 by 2 sin square A minus 1 only, right? So what is this process? It is numerator by denominator and the denominator by, sorry, numerator by denominator we are getting. Okay, now what is the next step? We should take the LCM. There is no other procedure for us. Sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A. Already we have to go for the LCM only. So sin A plus cos A whole square is there. Sin A minus cos A whole square is there. Expand that one. What happens in the numerator? 2 sine A cos A and minus 2 sine A cos A will get cancelled, right? So what is remaining there? Sine square A cos square A 2 times, right? So 2 into sine square A plus cos square A will come in the numerator. Denominator, if you check from the beginning, it is A minus B into A plus B only. So it is equal to sine square A minus cos square A. So that is equal to 2 into 1 divided by sine square A minus 1 minus sine square A only. So what is the answer? This one, 2 divided by sine square A minus 1 plus sine square A. So what is the answer we are having? Sine square A 2 times are there. So 2 sine square A minus 1, it is equal to RHS. Next question. Show that tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta only. So tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. What is the common? Tan square theta is common. So tan square theta is common. Bracket 1 plus tan square theta we will get. What is 1 plus tan square theta? It is a second identity. So we can write that sec square theta only. Now tan we are replacing with the sec square theta minus 1, isn't it? Then because here everything should be sec, that is why tan should be eliminated. So how we can eliminate tan? It is equal to 1 plus, okay, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus sec square theta only. So what is the next step we should replace tan square theta there. So tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. That we have done there. So sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. So again expand the bracket, you will get sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta, which is equal to RHS. Again cosec A by cosec A minus 1 plus cosec A by cosec A plus 1 equal to 2 sec square A only. Take the LCM, expand it, and whatever is going to cancel, cancel it. After that, what is the step we have to see? So we have taken the LCM, then we got in the cosec square A plus cosec A plus cosec square A minus cosec A plus cosec and minus cosec will get cancelled. So what is the answer we are getting here? 2 cosec square A by 2 cosec square A minus 1 only. So what is the next step? Cosec can be written as 1 by sine square and cot can be written as cos square A by sine square A. That means this only. Again, it will get cancelled sine square A and sine square A. So what is the answer? 2 by cos square A will get 2 by cos square A means 2 into 1 by cos square A. It is equal to 2 sec square A equal to RHS. Okay. So we got the answer here. So each and every step, if you check, means all the steps are different only, and it is difficult to remember also. So another pattern we have to start now. Okay, still time is there. We can continue. If sine A plus cos A equal to P, sec A plus cosec A equal to Q. Prove that Q into P square minus 1 equal to 2P. Q into P square minus 1 equal to 2P only. So already the value for P is given, the value for Q is given, right? So just we have to take what is our LHS? Q into P square minus 1. Substituting the values, nothing else. Q is CK plus cosec A, P square is sine A plus cos A. Okay. Sine A plus cos A whole square minus 1 on only. Expand this one. Sine square A, cos square A, 2 sine A cos A minus 1 only. So what is 1 sine square A plus cos square A? It is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So what is remaining the second bracket? Only 2 sine A cos A only. So what happened here? The first bracket, as it is still here, we have continued. Now what is the next step? We should change as a 1 by cos A and 1 by sin A also. Then 2 sin A cos A will come, isn't it? So like that we required, but the question is asked for it is equal to Q into P square minus 1 equal to 2P only. So what is our P value? P value equal to sin A plus cos A. Okay, so here it is, I think we have to take as a 1 by cos and 1 by sine, then take the LCM. So sine A cos A will get cancelled. So what is the answer we'll get? Let me try. CK can be written as 1 by cos A, can be written as 1 by sine A into 2 sine A cos A, right? Take the LCM means sine A plus cos A divided by cos A into sine A into 2 sine A cos A, right? So this sine A cos A will get cancelled. Instead of that, what we can write, it is equal to 2p, because already one 2 is the remaining one is p only. What is the next question? Ck plus tan A equal to p. Show that sin A equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1 only. What is p here? Ck plus tan A. Now sin A equal to, show that p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. It is a by is there. So what we have taken this time, it is RHS we have taken. RHS is what? P square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. So just to substitute the values, it is a plus b whole square we have expanded. See that one? Sec square a plus tan square a plus 2 tan a ck minus 1 only. What happened down? Sec denominator sec square a plus tan square a plus 2 tan a ck minus 1 only. Now we need sign only the in the answer, right? It should be equal to sign. So we should arrange the terms in that way. So here you see that sec square a minus 1 is there. So that we have replaced with the tan square a. But in the denominator, what is you are having? Sec square a minus 1 is there, tan square a minus 1 is there. So what is the formula we are having already? 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Okay, sec square theta minus 1 we have changed in the numerator. But in the denominator, what happened here? We want everything sec only. So 1 plus tan square should, so 1 plus tan square should come there. 1 plus tan square should come there. So plus 1 is there. So 1 plus tan square a is changed to sec square a. Here it is plus 1 only, right? So 1 plus tan square a we are changed to sec square a. So the two identities we have used in the different way only. So in the numerator we have used sec square a minus 1, and all the terms we have made a tan. Right, here also tan square, here also tan square a. But in the denominator, what happened? We have changed 1 plus tan square only, that became sec square a and sec square a only. Now how many tan square a is there? It is 2 tan square a, and other than that the remaining two terms in the numerator is same only, 2 tan a ck only. So 2 tan square a plus 2 tan a ck whole divided by 2 sec square a plus 2 tan a ck. Now you can go for the common. So first of all, 2 is a common in both the numerator and denominator, but in the numerator you can see that tan a is common and the denominator ck is common. So these two bracket will get cancelled. So already 2 also will get cancelled. Now what happens? You are having tan is the, so tan can be written as sin a by cos a, and the denominator sec is the, so 1 by cos. That means cos will get cancelled. So what is remaining there? Sin A, that is our LHS. See here, this question what happened here means many terms are there on the RHS, isn't it? P square minus 1 and a p square plus 1 is there. So that we are using. Understood? If we keep sin A and we are starting with the sin A, we may not get anything. That is why RHS started. It is depending on the question only. That is why we are telling that it needed practice only. It is so I already shown in the beginning the formulas that you learn by heart. Write every day. Don't leave single day. Now continuously you will write every day, then it will be helpful for the coming exams and all. So with this today's class I am winding up. So along with the last class questions, that 15 questions, today's questions became 27. Up to that, I think I one question I missed. Leave that question. 26 questions you have to solve every day. Now then only your trigonometry portion will be easy. So with this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.